Welcome to Bikeverse. 248 horsepower. China's most technologically advanced electric SUV. Look at every angle. The G6 is a coupe-style SUV, that fastback roofline dropping in a clean sweep from the roof to the rear.
Chinese EVs are here. The G6 is different. 8 million. PKR Lahore to Islamabad run will prove its value.
That light bar. It spans the full width of the front face, not a separate DRL, a single connected strip. The fastback SUV body style. The slow roofline improves aerodynamics, and the boot is 571 liters. 3 variants. PKR 14.5 million for standard range RWD. The first impression on Lahore roads, silence. In a city where every vehicle is shouting, the G6 says nothing. Multiple color options on the G6. Each one works fast and read silhouette. 800 volts. Silicon carbide semiconductor platform. This is the technology that separates the G6. 800 volts. The XPeng G6 is the first EV available in Pakistan with this generation of charging technology. 12 minutes versus 30 minutes. The G6 does in 12 minutes what takes a standard EV 30 to 45 minutes. The daily charging reality in Pakistan, plug in at home, 8 hours, full 68.5 kilowatt hours. The G6 battery pack.
This is not 12 minutes, but it's still faster than anything else I've owned.
6 a.m. on the M2 motorway. In eco mode at 120 km/h, the G6 shows 6.25 km.
Regenerative braking on the M2. On a 480 km claimed range car, 18 km of regen is meaningful.
Islamabad arrival. Range remaining 47 km. Real-world M2 motorway consumption approximately 90% of the charging summary. 800 volt silicon carbide platform. 548 horsepower from a single electric motor. Peak torque from 0 RPM, no waiting for boost, no gears, to instant torque in Pakistan traffic. The G6 accelerates with immediate urgency, no hesitation. 202 speed limit is 120 top speed. At motorway speeds, the G6 is operating at 60% of its capability. 1 speed, no gear changes, no shift events. Rear wheel drive on a 20-25 kg electric SUV. On dry tarmac, composed and confident. Ventilated disc brakes, front and rear. A G6 specification, vent requires serious braking hardwares.
The performance AWD, an additional front electric motor. Dual motor AWD.
Performance summary, 248 HP electric motor, 202 km/h top speed. XPeng's design brief for the G6, the aerodynamic efficient and sportier while delivering full 5-seat practicality.
The full LED light bar. Not a separate DRL unit on each side, a single connected strip spanning the complete front with
flush door handles. They sit completely flush until you approach. Proximity senses them automatically, reducing drag.
The panoramic skylight. Full length, from the front seats to the rear passengers. Fixed glass that
4,758 millimeters long. The G6 is a full D-segment premium electric SUV in its dimensions.
The G6 does not include M2 is a spare tire. In Pakistan, a tire failure on the M2 is a significant.
The rear. The integrated spoiler sits naturally on the fastback roofline. Below, an LED light strip.
In a Lahore traffic jam, the G6 fastback profile is completely distinctive. The reactions from Lahore traffic were almost universally positive. This is a car that turns heads here.
The 15-inch touchscreen controls everything. Quick access bar at the top, swipe for climb to Tesla. For new users, the curve is quick, just 3 days. The secondary driver display directly ahead of the driver. Speed. On the M4, check speed on the driver display, not the center screen. Correct.
Hey XPeng. Mubashir, set the Islamabad destination. Set cabin temperature to 22 degrees. Find nearest charging station.
X-Pilot Assist, SAE level trones. On the M2 motorway, lane centering and cruise control maintain speed.
Over-the-air updates. The G6 receives software improvements wirelessly. XPeng has used OTA updates to enhance performance and fix bugs. XPeng G6 versus MG4 EV. G6, 800 volt platform, larger battery, more range.
XPeng G6 versus BYD Atto 3.
Hyundai Ioniq 5. The most credible competitor to the G6 in Pakistan at this price point. The Pakistan EV market at PKR 14 to 19 million. The XPeng G6 at PKR 14.5 to L5. What only the G6 offers in Pakistan? 800 volt silicon carbide platform. No competitor in Pakistan offers this charging architecture. Chinese EV brands in Pakistan. 5 years ago, a PKR 15.5 million Chinese car was dismissed.
PKR 14.5 to 18.5 million. In the Pakistan context, at PKR 15.5,
the XPeng G6 leads in charging, range, and design. It's challenged on service and brand. For buyers prioritizing tech over certainty, the G6 is the right car.
Powertrain, electric motor, 248 HP. Battery, 68.5 kWh lithium-ion.
Pakistan pricing, estimated. Standard range RWD 51,000 3.CR USD.
Dimensions. Length 4758 millimeters. Width 1920 millimeters.
Suspension, McPherson strut coil springs front. Multi-link wishbone rear, independent rear suspension, correct for this class.
Design.
coupe SUV fastback body style. Full LED light bar, front spanning complete width.
X-Pilot Assist, adaptive cruise control with stop and go, lane super trade right, halt spot mounting. 480 kilometer claimed range. This is normal for any EV. Aerodynamic drag increases significantly.
I was present. My hands were on the wheel, but the G6 was doing the work.
But I would think very carefully. This car rewards the prepared owner. It punishes the unprepared one.
What the G6 gets right for Pakistan: 480 km range, covers Islamabad and one gun on a single charge. 248 HP, 480 km range.
This is Bikeverse, where machines become legends. Always.
We have spent 2 days through Lahore traffic on the Badi. Here is what Bikeverse actually thinks. The XPeng G6 is the most technologically advanced wheel with almost capable EV in Pakistan. That